Weather in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morris County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, north central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 2:15 p.m. At 1:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Millington or near Somerville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaged roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Morristown, Somerville, Bridgewater, Madison, Middlesex, Florham Park, East Hanover, Bound Brook, Danville, Chatham, Bentham, Peacock and Gladstone, Far Hills, Colonia, Wilmington, Martinsville, Basking Ridge, South Plainfield, North Plainfield, and Bernardsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:50 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset. Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Bergen County in eastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 1:27 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 2.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Westchester, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Westbound, Downingtown, Conshohocken, Souderton, and Ambler. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Posted flood maps to current vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. The current